This Coldwell Banker Advantage property video is presented by Deb Kawleski. Check out this beautiful almost new 16 by 80 mobile home in Whispering Pines Mobile Home Park in Kellner. This is a 2020 mobile home, carport and ramp put up last fall, storage shed is also included. 3-bedroom, 2 full baths, open concept. Application must be filled out with an offer and offer must be contingent on being approved for the park. Park is 55 and older. For more information, review the details below or contact Deb Kawleski at 715-340-0630.